The powerful Dreame L50 Ultra versus the flagship Dreame X50 Ultra.
Surprisingly, the flagship X50 Ultra strikes first with a lower price tag, offering incredible value over the L50. The X50 Ultra takes the lead here with a significantly slimmer profile compared to the taller standard L50 unit. Space savers will prefer the X50 Ultra dock, which features a much more compact depth than the bulky L50. The X50 feels more premium with brushed metal accents, whereas the L50 uses a standard matte plastic finish. Both of these sleek robotic cleaners are available in classic black or white to match your home decor perfectly. Innovation shines on the X50 Ultra with its retractable LIDAR turret, while the L50 sticks to a fixed tower. That retractable sensor allows the X50 to slide under low furniture where the L50 would definitely get stuck. The X50 smartly switches to front cameras when retracted, offering better safety than the basic sensors on the L50. Both of these impressive robots can climb massive multi-tiered thresholds up to 6 centimeters using their extendable legs. However, the L50 Ultra actually climbs slightly higher single vertical steps, edging out the X50 by a small margin. Both models utilize the advanced Pro Leap system, extending their legs to physically lift the chassis over difficult obstacles. Raw power goes to the X50 Ultra with 20,000 pascals, slightly beating the already powerful L50 Ultra model. Both utilize the detangling duo brush technology, designed specifically to prevent long hair from wrapping around the main rollers. Edge cleaning is handled perfectly by the FlexiArm technology on both units, extending out to reach tight corners. Smart AI navigation on both robots follows the natural grain of your flooring to prevent streaks and scratches. The X50 Ultra cleans deeper with 80-degree hot water washing, surpassing the 75 degrees of the L50. Only the X50 Ultra features UV light treatment to kill bacteria, a feature completely missing on the L50 dock. Both robots feature magnetic auto-detach technology, leaving wet mop pods inside the station to keep carpets dry. You get identical capacity here, with both docks holding 4.5 liters of clean water for mopping. Maintenance is effortless on both, as they share a large 3.2-liter dust bag for debris. Automation is key, and both stations feature a built-in dispenser to automatically add cleaning solution to the water. Maintenance is reduced significantly as both docks utilize the Ace Clean self-cleaning washboard to keep the system hygienic and fresh. Unfortunately, neither of these premium devices includes a true HEPA filter, which is a major downside for allergy sufferers. However, both systems are fully sealed to prevent captured dust from escaping back into the air during operation. The X50 Ultra wins navigation with superior AI camera sensors recognizing more objects than the standard L50 Ultra system. Navigating in the dark is easy for both robots thanks to their autofill LED lights that illuminate paths. The X50 Ultra takes a slight lead here, recognizing over 200 object types compared to the L50 Ultra. You can use both robots as a moving security camera, featuring live video feeds and two-way audio communication. If you value peace and quiet, the X50 Ultra operates much more silently than the louder L50 Ultra motor. Interestingly, the L50 Ultra picks up slightly more pet hair on carpets, achieving a perfect score in our tests. Both are pet-friendly, using AI to recognize your furry friends and avoid them gently during daily cleaning sessions. Which of these cleaning features matters most to you? Let us know in the comment section down below right now. Both units feature fast charging technology, getting you back to cleaning in just under 3 hours of charging. The X50 Ultra takes the win again with a built-in silver ion module, ensuring a much healthier home environment. Note that neither of these robots are wet vacuums, so you should avoid running them over large liquid spills. Be careful with tasseled rugs, as both robots might get tangled if the fringe is longer than 4 inches. Both come with a comprehensive kit, including the robot, station, cleaning solution, and extra accessories to get started. The L50 Ultra is great, but the X50 Ultra is the clear winner for its futuristic low-profile innovation. Thanks for watching.